Next talk is by Dr. Zahroh. So the title is the APBioNETTalks, a platform to share bioinformatics talks, tutorials, and trainings. So please start.
Hello everyone, thank you for attending the talk. I would like to discuss recent initiative from Asia Pacific Bioinformatics Network, APBioNETTalks, a platform to share bioinformatics talks, tutorials, and trainings. There are several reasons why we do this. Number one, scientific knowledge is a collective endeavor. We've often heard this phrase, if I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants. However, there are limited avenues for open access to scientific knowledge, in particular involving learning, education, and training. Massive open online courses or MOOCs are a step forward in this direction. Secondly, we have seen a growing interest and a lot of research related to bioinformatics. Similarly, there are a lot of job posts related to this field. However, we haven't seen similar attention given to bioinformatics learning, education, and training. Take, for instance, the growing numbers of biological tools versus the number of trainings provided on them. Furthermore, with an ever-increasing number of bioinformatics research databases and tools, there is a need to not only communicate the results to the wider audiences, but also to train on how to best utilize the resources. This would bridge the gap between scientific practice and education. Over the years, we have created efforts to foster bioinformatics development in the region through bioinformatics learning, education, and training. Using our platforms such as InCoB, InCIP, Bioinformatics Workshop Fiesta, and Bioinformatics Registry, APBioNETTalks is the latest of our initiative. Our vision is to facilitate the discovery and sharing of bioinformatics. Our mission is to bring the latest developments, know-how, and trainings related to the field. We would adhere to the values inclusivity, allowing any individuals from communities to contribute a talk, including students, openness, community empowerment, especially for less privileged groups by incorporating them in the team, also global, enabling people from around the world to take a part in any role. Some of our milestones are developing the idea and project. Our project is also listed for mentoring in Open Life Science project. We have developed our website, it's already up and running. You can register to the talk, contribute or apply for a moderator through our website. We also send out invitations for contributions. The next phase will be done massively using Discord, Slack, Twitter, FB, email, and other social media channels. The information on the talk will be shared using our channels and also our collaborating partners' channels. Our closest upcoming activities would be inauguration of APBioNETTalks. Our first talk will take place on December 15, featuring Dr. Natalie Twine from Zahroh, Australia as our first speaker. I believe she's also here today to give a lightning talk of her own to the InCoB 2020 audience. Our second scheduled event would be a demo talk featuring Dr. Ashar Malik from Bioinformatics Institute, Star, Singapore. We welcome your feedback and contribution. We also open a Discord channel for APBioNETTalks on InCoB 2020 server. We invite you to post your comments and feedbacks there. You could share your expertise using APBioNETTalks, share a session or two, or becoming a supporting member or contributor. You could learn more about us on our website and also through Discord channels. We are very grateful for the support and contribution we received for APBioNETTalks. We thank our speakers and moderators, Open Life Science organizer and community, Patricia Harteridge, while as mentor, and Dr. Piravin Gopalasingham for their feedback and for sharing their expertise. Mark De Silva for initial website setup. APBioNet contributors, Dr. Riza Putranto as our visual communication consultant. Thank you very much and we look forward to your feedback.
Thank you very much. it's very interesting talk. So, are there any questions from audience? Okay. So I have a question. So I think your work is very interesting and important, and maybe many students are very interested in the joining that kind of the program. So, uh, so do you have some uh, so the statistics of how many students are already joined in the program, or so how many universities are involved in such kind of the so programs? So can you explain that?
Thank you very much for your question, Matsuda Sensei. So currently we are planning to launch the program on December 15th.
Ah, so.
Accepting the registration, I'll
Mm-hmm,
post the link here to copy
mm-hmm,
the link.
mm-hmm,
We also invite PhD students to give talk as well. So if they want to contribute to the APBioNETTalks, we are very welcome. If they want to talk about their research or other things such as methods or tutorials or other things. So this is a community contribution. Yes.
Okay, so I have a question from chat box. So, can some students also being given opportunity to give short talks? So, some students can give opportunity to give short talks in your program, or
Yes, exactly. That's what we
uh-huh,
aim. That's what we aim.
uh-huh,
We want the PhD students to also give some short talk in our platform.
mm,
We also provide this form in our website. I'll post
mm,
in the chat box later.
mm. Another question, where do you see AP Bio talks in 1 year? So how do you, what is the question? So how do you see AP Bio talks in 1 year? So fair the location.
Okay. Doctor, thank you so much for the
Mm-hmm,
question, Dr. P. So, in 1 year, we are foreseeing that APBioNETTalks will invite more collaborations, and we
mm-hmm,
also invite more team members in the team. Um,
mm-hmm,
for example, we will use contributors page, and we also will have scientific committee that will assess all the abstract coming from
mm-hmm,
people who are willing to contribute talk or tutorials or workshop. And
mm-hmm.
and by this we also will invite more students and more early career researchers to the team.
Okay, okay. Okay, so now time is up. So let's thank you very much for your talk. So.